Hello, we will make today these beautiful cappuccino shell earrings. I saw them on internet and decided to recreate it and to do tutorial. We will use these beautiful shells. Tools which we will need are cutters, round nose pliers, chain nose pliers and flat nose pliers. We will need gold-plated components, stainless steel gold head pins with a ball and end, 6mm bead cups. I will be using French wire airlocks, but you can use any air wire you want, and 2 open jump rings as a part of a design, but they also will connect our dangle with the airlock. We will start with making a wrapped loop. For this, with round nose pliers, we will hold close to the bead cup and bend our wire at around 90 degrees. We will wrap it around our plier to create a loop, and then under the loop we will wrap twice the end of our pin to create nice tight spiral. I like these wraps to be quite tight and close together. And then we have to cut the end of the pin as close as possible to our wrapping. Remaining end we will have to squash with chain nose pliers to make sure that there's no sharp end and nothing is scratching. Now we made our dangle, and we will connect our airlocks and the dangle with the jump ring. For this we will open jump ring and thread our components, and we will need to close our jump ring using 2 pliers. The best pliers to use are chain nose pliers. You can use 2 chain nose pliers, or in my case I use chain nose pliers and flat nose pliers. To open and close jump rings we use a sidewise movement. We will need to close the ring flush until you can hear the click, or you feel the ends rubbing against each other to make sure there is no gap and the shape is not distorted. We're just checking it, making sure that dangle moves freely, and I made the other earring before, so it's our 2 completed earrings.